twatangirire ahari Mbarara City South Division Offices omurembo Rambara aho kurahiza kwa meya wa Mbarara City North yabasa kubana arahizwa umwami kandi Jomo Mugabi kandi akuratiwe na ba councillors 27 ba councillors 28 ababine kurahira konka twatungo kumanyisibwa ngo Kiza Hamidu yabatari kwehurira kurungi so amakuru garingu eshaheji ba councillors barukika 27 babasye kubana barahira kandi obwe okurahira oku kwa ebembera mu chief magistrate wa kote ya Mbarara His worship na Bende Moses kandobwe kandi atura Violet na we yaba ayibembye mu kushomabo na mnonga abasinjire ombururu obwenku226 abukujwekera abantu abambara City North kutana hone myanye ndijo ahatikirizwa kubaho abantu binji hanikirizwa abantu bacamnonga abukujango bwa hatihanga rya kwerinda uburire obwa Ebola kandi abantu abandi babasa kubana baguma aheru okubasa kurinda abantu binji okuza umwanyogu kandi kino kugira ngo orujungu aha mwanyogu turwateganza mnonga na mnonga ba councillors barukurahira kandi obwa hati turiyo tugumizamu okureba na mnonga ba speaker shi narisho kutorana ba speaker abarabe nibebembera Mbarara City South kandi hati chief magistrate wa koti ya Mbarara His worship na Bende Moses wayo naza kwebembera mu omukurahiza speaker arabe na ebembera ishenjeri ya Mbarara City South Division.
Msime Godfrey Fred, so yeah, in the name of the mighty God, that we at all times well and truly serve Mbarara City South Division in the office of the speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Ogwe kandi abasa kubana arahizwa kuba speaker wishenjeri ya Mbarara City South Division bija kuba kandi mutoranana no muhwezu we utireho na no muhwezu wa meya obwa hati meya yabashire kubana ashitamo mishitebe wa Mbarara City South umwami Jomo Mugabe ukubasa kubana atanchiraho emirimo ye kandi nebukwato babasa kubana bamukwasa kurunji munonga.
Going into a council session, but of course before that the speaker will be decorated and escorted to his seat, and shortly after we shall give ourselves about 5 minutes to rearrange and convene the council meeting right here where the speaker will preside over the election of the deputy speaker, and after that the deputy speaker will be sworn in, and then the division mayor will nominate secretaries, 3 in number.
So obwa hati echaheza korwa nokurahiza speaker arabe na ebembera ishenjeri ya Mbarara City South Division umwaka gwe2026 2031 wanyuma yo kurahiza ba councillors 27 na nokurahiza meya omusya Jomo Mugabi abo umwaka gwe2026 2031 kandi hati aitugyontuza bariyo nibaza council session nicho shiyonchi genda omisho.